So this was the second option that was available of how can we customize the style inside the Tailwind. And there is one more option available. If you just head over to the documentation once again, so here we have the Tailwind. So now we are done with the customizing your theme. So we are now customizing the theme. We can just use the arbitrary values. So what are the arbitrary values? So here you can see if we just apply some of these styles, like we have the text. Okay. So here we have the text. So here you can see here we have some of these styles. If we move on to the page, like we have the text for Excel. And inside that we have the font size of this 36 pixels, the line height of the 40 pixels. So here we have the text. So we can use a dynamic value like this. So it is known as an arbitrary value, but you can just provide any dynamic content like this. So you can have the 22 like this. So if we move on here, if we just apply some style like here inside this paragraph tag, inside the lorem ipsum tag, the text, we have the text property of the 2XL. So we can remove this and we can just use our own custom size of the text, like here with the 22 pixels. So we can use the 22 pixels like this. So if we save, if we again move on to the application here, so now you can see now the font size is smaller. So you can see that's how we can use the arbitrary values inside the Tailwind CSS and it will work fine. So you have the width as well. So you can just define the width as well as the arbitrary value. You can use the width and then you can just provide the 100% like this. So that would be the width of the 100%. So you can see that's how it works inside this. So that's how you can provide the arbitrary values. And it is very simple concept like this. So you can use background, your own color as well. You can just apply some mask as well. So you can see everything is very simple inside that. So you can provide the LG. So we will discuss about the breakpoints later. And there you can see we have all of the things that we can apply dynamically inside that. So that's how the arbitrary values works. So it is very easy to use because we provide our own dynamic styles into this. So that's it for the arbitrary values.